enough film in these cameras.
Nochmal.
Action.
The time has arrived. We need to stop using fossil fuels with all the dirt and pollution they have brought to our mother nature. But instead, we can use hydrogen because hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe and it is clean. However, dealing with hydrogen is kind of challenging, and that's because hydrogen is this really tiny and small atom which would like to get combined or interact with every other element that it sees on its way. This makes it really difficult for us to store hydrogen in one place or to transfer it from one point to another. Usually, hydrogen is stored inside the tanks which are made out of steel. And if we have a look at the surface of the steel, we would see that there exist some gaps or holes into which hydrogen really likes to sneak. This is not good because then as a result, steel would get broken easily and it becomes really fragile. This is a very dangerous phenomenon which is called hydrogen embrittlement. With my colleagues in Max-Planck-Institut, we try to find solutions against hydrogen embrittlement. So far, we've had 2 successful approaches against this matter. In one way, we consider a coating layer, we put it on top of the surface of the steel, and what happens is that hydrogen gets stopped and it cannot go into the steel. And this is good because if there is no hydrogen there, then there is no hydrogen embrittlement. In the second way, however, we let hydrogen go inside the steel, but what we do, we trap it there. And this we do by adding some high-dense material such as manganese. So you would see that hydrogen gets surrounded by these manganese-rich zones, and as a result, it cannot travel further. And this is good. If hydrogen does not travel, then it cannot cause any problem. These 2 methods will not work unless we have a clear picture about how hydrogen is interacting with other materials in a really small scale. For that, we are using these giant electron microscopes in the institute. We have transmission electron microscopes, scanning electron microscopes, and what all these machines have in common is just beam of electrons. So you heard me correctly. Here we work with electrons and there is no light. The reason is because electrons are these super energetic particles, they have high energy and they have very short wavelengths. And that enables them to go between the atoms and give us information about the arrangement of the atoms, the distance between the atoms, and in general, they tell us about the structure of the materials. Our final goal is to come up with the most efficient way against hydrogen embrittlement, and then we will provide that to the industry. By doing so, hopefully one day, we will have a cleaner, healthier, and happier life.